How to activate Tesco Bank Credit Card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate Tesco Credit Card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to activate your Tesco Bank, what you'll need to do is the easiest way is to activate it through the mobile banking app. So you can download your mobile banking app from your app store. Simply search for Tesco. After you search for Tesco Bank, you'll find the website, the app, and then you can download it. So the bank is not available in my region, so I'll show you how you can do that from the web browser. On my web browser, simply search for Tesco Bank official website. Now, all we have to do here is we'll have to log in. So tap on this login option under online banking, and it should take me to the login section. So enter the username and tap on login, and after that enter your password and you'll get logged in into your account. Now after you're there on the landing page, what you'll find is you'll find an option that will say activate card. So you will need to head over to the activate card option after you've logged in into your mobile banking. And after you're on the activate card option, all you have to do is enter the CVV number from your card and your card will get activated. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.